Oh, saw your question in email. You're given these numbers here. The numbers, regular season wins for 10 football teams in a given season or below. Determine the range, etc. You're asking about the variance here. What I did, I just clicked on this, and then there's a little icon. If you click on it, you can bring this data right into StatCrunch, or you can type it in. So you can use technology, or you can do this by hand. If you go look at the assignment, there's a video available on using StatCrunch. There's a video available for doing it with the calculator also, and also there's one available by hand. I'm going to show you how to do this with StatCrunch. And so I bring the data in, and you click on Stat, and then you'll click on Calculate Summary Stats and Columns. So you click here, then choose Summary Stats and Columns. Then you select where your data is at. It's in this VARS1 column. Then you come down here under Statistics, and you want to pick. They do say this is population, and there's two choices here. You can either be a sample or population. Generally, we're dealing with samples, but this one's population. So you got to scroll down here to this list until you find unadjusted variance, and then you click compute, and it'll give you the answer, and you want to round it to the nearest tenth. So the population variance, they call it unadjusted variance in StatCrunch. If you go on the same list is just one called variance by itself, and that one is sample variance. It's towards the top of the list, and where unadjusted is towards the bottom of this list here. Hope that helps.